Welcome to our YouTube channel, Local Teachers. Today we are going to discuss lens maker's formula. So this is used to adjust focal length of the lens. So in order to derive the mathematical expression for this lens maker's formula, so here I am considering a convex lens. So that is nothing but two sides of the convex lens bulge outside, so that is placed in another medium, air, so whose refractive index is Na, and the refractive index of lens is Nb. So consider this is the parallel, this is principal axis. So this is optic center P. So this is focus F1 and this is focus F2. Okay. So here I am considering an object, point object on the principal axis at O. So in order to find the image, I required two incident rays. So one is I considered along the principal axis, and the second one is I am going to draw. So which will incident on the convex lens at point A. So here this convex lens will have two refracting surfaces. So here I am consider first refracting surface. So here the first refracting surface is nothing but this one I considered. So after a refraction, this will meet the principal axis at a point where it forms an image. So it will meet the principal axis at a point that I considered Q. So at this point, this will form an image, because this is a refracting ray and this principal axis is a refracting ray. So interaction here takes place. So it will form an image. Okay, here. So by applying I want to find the distances from the optic center. By applying sign convention, here I am going to find the distances. So here this is the image distance I considered x. So this is the object distance, this is u. Okay, so here its radius of curvature is nothing but r1, and okay, so right here OP, PO. By applying sign convention, it will become minus U. Next PQ. So here it will becomes plus X. So the radius of curvature R equals to plus R1, comma N1 equals to NA, and NB equals to, N2 equals to NB. So apply these values in derivation of curved surface formula, that is N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R. So substitute these values in this equation. So NB by V is nothing but here it is X minus N A by U, that equals to NB minus NA by R. So here U is nothing but here minus U. So I can write here NB by X minus into minus plus NA by U equals to NB minus NA by R1. Okay, so consider this is equation number 1. By refracting surface 1, I got equation. Next, consider refracting surface 2. So in this case, the special effect is nothing but here the earlier Q is an image, but when we are consider the second one is as a refracting surface, this image Q act as a object to the second refracting surface. Q basically it is a image acts as object. Okay, so when it acts as object, so here this refracting surface will forms a image at point I. So it will forms a image at point I. So it forms a image at I. So here its distance is nothing but it is a final image. So the distance is V. So here apply sign convention and find the distances. So write for the distances PQ. So this is nothing but object distance. So that is plus X. Next PI. This is nothing but image distance plus V. Next, radius of curvature R equals to minus R2. Why I written minus R2? So we are selected. This is the refracting surface. So this is will be the sphere. So here this is minus R2 we got S. So here I am writing here. This is minus R2. Next, N1 equals to NB and N2 equals to NA. Why I am writing here like this is nothing but here. In the second case, light enters from lens to the another medium. Lens to another medium. Here another medium is nothing but this is air only. Okay. So first light enters from lens to air. So here N1 becomes NB, N2 becomes NA. So substitute all these values in the derivation of curved surface formula. So that is nothing but here N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R. Substitute these values in this equation. So N2 is nothing but NA by V is nothing but plus V minus N1 is nothing but NV. So that is nothing but here this U that equals to N A minus NB by, so this is minus R2. So here we can write NA by V minus NB by U. Take minus common in the numerator, we can write NB minus NA by minus R2. Minus minus gets cancelled. So finally we can write NA by V minus NB by U, that equals to NB minus NA by R2. Okay, so this is equation 2. So just here add equation 1 and equation 2. So write here equation NB by X plus NA by U plus NA by V minus NB by X equals to NB minus NA, take common right side, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So observe the equation here, NB by X plus and this is minus gets cancelled. So we can write NA by U plus Na by V equals to Nb minus Na 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So send this Na by taking common from the left side and send it to right side. We can write 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to Nb minus Na by Na into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this we can write here 1 by U plus 1 by V that equals to expand this Na for both Nb and Na. So we can write Nb by Na minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. So consider this is equation number. So this equation number 3 is we got in special case. In the special case is nothing but we are considered refracting surface is first one is refracting surface 1 and second one is refracting surface 2. By that assumption we got this equation. This is the special case. For in order to generalize this equation 3, apply sign convention for distances. So by applying sign convention we got here 1 by minus u plus 1 by plus v equals to nb by na minus 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by minus r2. So this I can write 1 by v minus 1 by u that equals to nb by na minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay. So here consider this is equation number 4. But what we know here, but here we know length formula. Length formula. So what is length formula? 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. 1 by U 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. So consider this is equation 5. So here observe LHS side both are same. So therefore we can write here, we can write here 1 by F equals to NB by NA minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So what we know here, the refractive index of air, that is Na equals to 1. So when Na equals to 1, if we substitute in the equation Na equals to 1, so here only this Nb remains. So Nb is nothing but here single medium. So for that single medium I am considering that is Nb equals to small n. So finally I can write, so 1 by F equals to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is lens maker's formula. So this lens maker formula is applicable when it is placed in the air only. So that is 1 by F equals to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is the story behind lens maker formula. Thank you.